Labour Party for Edo State don tok say dem no accept Oshomole apology wey im do to beg Edo pipo, as na im bring Obaseki come out as gubernatorial candidate for 2016. Di party governorship candidate Isaiah Osifo na im tok dis one for press briefing wey dem do recently for Benin City, as dem tok say for 2016 Oshomole tok say Obaseki na good man make Edo pipo vote for am, but now for 2020 im don dey tok say im deceive dem to support Obaseki as governor for Edo State.
The leaders and members of the Labour Party are not surprised over Oshomole's selfish apology and his regrets for supporting the election of Godwin Obaseki as the governor of Edo State. But we are disappointed that Adams Oshomole, in his ignorance, cannot understand a clear fact that Edo people know him and they have long rejected his antics, style, and desperation to convert the collective wealth of Edo State to his personal property. Labour Party is a democratic party, and the leadership is conscious of the fact that Adams Oshomole or any other citizen of Nigeria has right to his or her own choice. The choice and support for Governor Godwin Obaseki by Adams Oshomole in 2016 was his right. The decision by Adams Oshomole to support Osagie Izeamu, the APC candidate in the 2020, is equally his right. What is odious in Adams Oshomole's style of continuous deception, Edo State in particular, and Nigerians in general, is desperate pursuit of selfish interest. In 2016, Adams Oshomole told Edo State electorates about the outstanding qualities of Godwin Obaseki and advanced several reasons why he should be elected as the governor of Edo State. In 2020, Adams Oshomole is telling Edo State electorates that he deceived them into supporting and electing Godwin Obaseki as the governor of Edo State. If his regret for supporting Godwin Obaseki is in the interest of Edo State, he should point out areas where Governor Obaseki has breached his trust with the people of Edo State. What we hear and see from Adams Oshomole are his usual empty rhetorics, attacks against the person of the governor, and frustration over the refusal of Governor Obaseki to surrender Edo State for his personal pleasure and personal ownership. Adams Oshomole in 2016 was vocal in his condemnation of Osagie Izeamu and elaborated his antecedents that border on several criminal conduct. He told Edo people not to get close to Osagie Izeamu, insisting that his election as the governor of Edo State would be dangerous to the collective interest of the people of Edo State. In 2020, Adams Oshomole is singing a different song, telling Edo State electorate that nobody should take his works serious. And the same person is asking Edo State electorates to elect Osagie Izeamu that is undergoing criminal prosecutions by APC government over money laundering. If the repentant Adams Oshomole is sincere in his apology to Edo people, he has two roles to play. One, he should send an application to the President Muhammadu Buhari, and the Attorney General of the Federation requesting the withdrawal of the criminal prosecution against Osagie Izeamu. Two, let Adams Oshomole explain to Edo people the criteria the APC adopted under his leadership to select Osagie Izeamu over and above all other Edo State APC gubernatorial aspirants, namely Dr. Pius Odubo, who was the deputy governor under Oshomole for 8 years, and General Chris Ogimonyi, that retired as an executive director in the NNPC, Honorable Matthew Jekebe, who has been majority leader of Edo State House of Assembly, and of course the two-time members of the House of Assembly, and Honorable Osaro Abaze, who was chairman of Federal Local Government Council. The Edo people will want to know from Adams Oshomole the criteria he adopted to select Osagie Izeamu over and above these eminent personalities and sons of Edo State. Labour Party have mentioned severally that the APC and its leaders are taking Edo State people for granted. We are again vindicated by the conduct of Adams Oshomole, who has no respect for humanity, decency, ethics, and law. How can any decent leader with a sense of humanity and ethics choose to address a rally for a spurious apology to Edo people on the same day, about the same time, in the same local government area, when the former Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Zakano Garuba, was laid to rest? And as Oshomole action is completely absurd and condemnable. His disrespect for late Zakano Garuba and the people of Edo State, his decision to assemble young men into a crowd in an unholy hour at a time when the incident of COVID-19 and maternal deaths is on the increase, is an indication of insensitivity and desperation to seek personal interests at the expense of the welfare, security, and concern of the people of Edo State. Adams Oshomole have no political power to influence or to decide who should be elected as the governor of Edo State. He cannot win any free and fair election in Edo State. I repeat, Adams Oshomole cannot win any free and fair election in Edo State. We have facts to buttress this. As a sitting governor of Edo State in 2015, he could not deliver Edo State to President Buhari. As the national chairman of APC in 2019, he could not deliver Edo State to President Buhari. He's only relying on whether INEC and President Buhari will agree to declare war in Edo State in order to rig election in favor of his disabled APC gubernatorial candidate. The Labour Party, all progressive forces in Nigeria, and the group of Edo State will continue to call on INEC, address INEC and appeal to INEC and President Buhari to stay clear of the desperation of Adams Oshomole to declare war on the people of Edo State because of his personal interests. Because the only way Oshomole can rig election in Edo State is for the armed forces and the INEC to accept to declare war on the people of Edo State. And the people of Edo State say in unity will reject war. INEC and President Buhari should apply the apparatus of the state for a peaceful, free, and fair governorship election in Edo State. The collective will of Edo people will resist and defeat the aims of Adams Oshomole to unleash terror on innocent citizens because of his coordinated plans to rig election. He is only consistent with the pursuit of his selfish interests to hold Edo State and to destroy democracy in Nigeria with all its contradictory character. The people should ignore the lies of Oshomole. They should reject his disabled APC candidate. And the people should be vigilant to defend our democracy and the noble culture of Edo people. Thank you all, and God bless you.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Labour Party for Edo State don't talk say dem not accept Oshomole apology, as in don't talk say in deceive Edo people to vote for Obaseki for 2016. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na in carry this ogbonge informate they come give una, and my name na Edo Roho Edoleyi.